Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on OKX. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your smartphone and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now, after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage from which in order to buy Bitcoin, you can either tap on the trade option at the bottom section and then directly tap on buy BTC, which will then show you various different options. You can simply tap on buy crypto if you wish to buy the crypto using your real-world currency. You can also tap on the transfer and deposit button in order to deposit enough currency to make your exchange. From the homepage, you can also tap on the menu option at the top left corner, and then underneath the trade option, you can tap on convert to buy Bitcoin using a different currency. In the from section, make sure you choose the currency that you want to use to buy your desired Bitcoin, and within the to section, go ahead and select Bitcoin. Then you can simply type in how much currency you want to exchange and tap on the preview button to proceed forward with buying your Bitcoin. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on OKX. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.